everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a small haul from Old Navy, a couple of tanks that I picked up at Loft, and a necklace that I got from Amazon. So the necklace in the Old Navy haul was inspired by your style guide. Her name is Jamie. Check her channel out, I'll link it below. And you know, she got this stuff and I was kind of liking it. So let me try this out. So the first thing I got was this Amazon necklace. I've been looking for like a chunky chain necklace because those are like in fashion and style, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money. This is 14 karat gold plated. It does have some weight to it. I don't think it's going to be too big and chunky on me. I'm going to have to try it on and see. I don't want it to look like a dog collar. But, and the color of it, because it is 14 karat gold plated, does not look bad. So this to me does not look too cheap. This to me is actually, for $17.99, a really good price. But let me try it on, see how I like it. It is adjustable, as you can see here, and at the very end there is a little pearl, but I would wear the pearl in the back so you would not see it, okay? So that is the first item I got, and I will link down below where, you know, the links for this. And again, I got that from Amazon. Okay, the next thing I got was this slub knit tee in light blue. You guys might not be knowing, I'm looking for more light blue items. This tee only cost me $9.66, and this tee is 100% cotton, all right, from Old Navy. So $9.66 for a little V-neck t-shirt that's 100% cotton, I don't think is a bad price at all. And I don't know if she got that or a different color, but that's the color that I wanted because I was looking for light blue. The next thing is an identical piece that she got, and I do know that this is very fitted. It was fitted on her. We'll see if it's very fitted on me. It is this polka dot top. Again, it's a t-shirt. It's $16.44. I'm thinking the neck is going to be way too deep and exposing for me, but we'll try it on. It is a ribbed type of fabric, so you can see that. And it is cream with a black polka dot. And this was $16.44 when I paid for it. I got my usual extra small, but I'm thinking maybe I probably should have sized up on it because it was small on her. 53% cotton, 43% modal, and 4% spandex. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like on. I thought it was like a cute elevated basic, right? Okay, the next item, I got this 100% cotton sweater. It's like in this, oh gosh, what kind of color is this? Like almost like a terracotta, almost a little bit lighter than a terracotta. So I love the color of the sweater. I'm not too keen on the style of it, but we'll see how it looks on. It's very wide and it's got that high crew neck. And that typically is a style that I don't like, but I'll try it on and we'll see how it fits. Looking at this, you're going to have to wear a cami underneath. Again, this is 100% cotton. It's a beautiful sweater. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the details of it. All right, look at the knitting. You know, and maybe it won't be so bad because the front of it is like almost like a chevron, or it goes in a V in front. So maybe that will be a little bit more elongating for me. So we'll see, and I'll try that on. All right. The next two items I got, not very exciting. I was in Loft and I got two tanks. I got a green one, this bright green, which is very much in style. If you might remember, I got a sweater that is striped, and I thought this would be good to wear underneath the sweater, and when if I got hot, I could pull off the sweater and just wear the sweater over my shoulders. And then I just like this color. This is like a bright coral color. And the two tank tops together were like $29 and change at Loft. All right, give me a minute and I'll try these items on. Okay, so first two pieces on. I have the necklace from Amazon, and I think for $17.99, if you're looking to try this trend, this is a great deal. I mean, $17.99, can't beat it. If you don't like it, obviously don't get it, but I think it's something different, and I can wear this with different things. The one thing I do want to note, again, I'm very petite, but I do have this like on the last setting. I would have to use the actual links themselves to get it like to be more of a choker style, or just like wear it pulled back more. The sweater from Old Navy. This is a very well-made sweater. I have no issues with the construction of it, the quality of the fabric. I think it's a very well-made sweater, and like I said, I paid under $33 for it, I believe, and there's nothing wrong with it, but the fit is off for me. First, you do have to wear a cami underneath because it is pretty open, and then when you do, and I raise my arms, you see the cami, and I don't know, it kind of looks weird. It's strange enough, like, you know, it's just a little bit too cropped for me, and again, it's a little bit too of that boxy kind of shape. But if you like this shape, if you're like, yes, this is right on trend and on style, I highly recommend this sweater. It is a very nice sweater and the color's gorgeous. I just don't like this particular look for me, all right? Here's the front of it. Here's the back of it. And again, if it had maybe the V-neck or something to it, I might even be able to tolerate it, but the boxy style with the high crew neck, it's not for me. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next piece. Okay, up next I have the light blue slub knit tee, which I pair with my light blue moto. I am looking for something to wear under this in a monochromatic look. I'm not so sure this works. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to see if I like it. But regardless, the tee was under 10 bucks. It's 100% cotton, and I think it fits pretty well, so this tee is staying with me. I'll take off the jacket so you can see the tee. Right? It has my preferred neckline of a V, but it's not plunging. There's no openness here so you can see the inside. It isn't skin tight, but it's not big and boxy either. It tucks nicely into a pair of jeans. It's a basic tee, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. So for under 10 bucks, it's staying with me. Okay, so I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the fabric. You can see it has that kind of slubbed texture. All right, and this is the front of it and the back of it. So for under 10 bucks, it's staying with me. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. Up next is the polka dot t-shirt and how I envision wearing this. So this is a sundry knit pull-on skirt, and I got it paired with my black flip-flops. My thinking was that on the dog days of summer when it's hot and humid, and you're dying and you still want to look a little bit put together, you know, I thought this tee would be good because it covers you up. You don't have to worry about a strapless bra or anything like that, but yet you look a little bit elevated. So I'm not so sure. The verdict's out on this. One thing I don't like is it is very exposed here. Again, I do like an open neckline. This might be a little bit too open for me. I'm thinking about this. It is also very form-fitting, like she said, and it also short. It just comes to the top of my belly button. I can barely tuck it in, and something tells me when I wash this, this is gonna shrink up. So I would recommend this if you like this top to size up on this. Yeah, so it's not just form-fitting, it is also short. And I think it's just a little bit too much chest for me here. I like a nice, exposure, but this is a lot. I am wearing a regular bra with it, and it pretty much does cover up my bra, but if you had like a thicker strap or something, you might also have a problem there as well too. So I think I'm gonna return this. I don't think I'd be sad to send this back, and it's $16 and change saved in my pocket. I'm trying to only add things to my closet that I absolutely love, and this is okay. I don't love it. All right, give me a minute and I'll style the tanks. Okay, this is how I envision wearing the green ones. So we're going on vacation to Vermont and Montreal beginning of June, and that can be iffy. It can be chilly, it could be in the 50s and 60s, or it can get actually pretty warm. So my thinking was I would wear the tank underneath the sweater, and if it got to be too warm, I could just drape the sweater over my shoulders. So as you can see, this has like some bright primary colors in it, and I chose the green to go underneath it. So I'm keeping this tank. Again, it was the two of them were under $30. I like the way Loft tanks fit me. And I have several Loft tanks. I would also recommend those as well. So the Old Navy t-shirts and the Loft tanks, thumbs up approval. All right, let me see if I can figure out what to do with that coral one. I kind of just picked that up because I like the color, but I'm not quite sure how to style it. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back to the dog days of summer again. I figured this bright cami or tank should be paired with something very casual and relaxed. And I'm thinking when it's like roasting hot outside, I'll just throw on a pair of jean shorts and my flip-flop Sam Edelman wicker type of sandals and run out the door. This to me screams 90 degrees with close to 100% humidity. And yeah, we do get those days in New Jersey, and you know, when those days are at the hot and humid, I wear something like this. And yeah, this is my outfit. So I'm happy with the tanks. I'm happy with the t-shirt. The polka dot top was a little bit of a miss for me as far as fit and style, and same with the like adobe colored sweater. I mean, both nice quality pieces, just a little bit missing on the style, and I'm only adding things to my closet that I absolutely love. I'd rather spend a lot of money, like $100 on an item that I really like, versus, you know, $20 on an item that I'm just like, oh, I guess I have to wear it because I bought it. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.